बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। साइंस क्लास 6 माइक्रोस्कोप। Microscope is an instrument which is used to see very small things that cannot be seen with naked eye. Its parts are eyepiece, adjustment screws, arm, base, mirror, stage, objective lenses and tube. Microscope. When we look at something through a microscope, it appears larger. The microscope we use in our schools are light microscopes. These microscopes use light to show the images. A light microscope has a base on an arm, a tube, a stage and two adjustment screws. Two lenses are fitted on the two ends of the tube. The lens are at the end of the tube through which we observe an object is called eyepiece. Microscope. The lenses near the object to be seen in called an object lens. Light is passed through the object from blue using mirror. We can view to object up to 1500 times bigger than its original size. Most of the cells are too small to be seen without a microscope. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.